Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the traditional method to solve multi-digit multiplication problems. The other day we learned how to use partial products to solve these problems. We used the example of 75 times 84. We broke down both of those numbers, 75 and 84, into columns. So it would be 70 and 5 and 80 and 4. If you need a review of the partial products method, please go back and watch that video. Today we're moving ahead with the traditional method. To start in the traditional method, you need to line up the columns, the ones on top of the ones column, the tens on top of the tens column, and if more digits are there, add the hundreds on top of the hundreds and so on. We're going to start right here with the 4. We're going to multiply 4 times 5. In essence, we're doing the same thing we did in partial products, the ones column times the ones column. Then we're going to do the ones column in 84 times the tens column in 75, which would be 4 times 7. If you did that, you would have this. 4 times 5 is 20. You put the 0 here, and you put the 2 on top of the 7, just like you would in addition. When we move on to the next step, we're going to do 4 times 7, which is 28. But because we put the 2 there from the 5 times 4 problem, we have to add that back into the problem. So 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 equals 30. I can put the 0 here, and because there's no digit in the 100s place, I can put the 3 right here. Now, my columns must be lined up. I'm going to put a 0 in this spot because I'm now multiplying the 8 times the 5 and then the 8 times the 7, just like I did in the ones column with the 4. So the 0 here lines me up right underneath the 8. When I do that, I can now solve the problem and do 8 times 5, which is 40. Once again, the 0 goes here, and I carry the 4. Next, what I'm going to do is multiply 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. But because I carried the 4, I need to add that back in. Plus 4 equals 60. I put my 0 here and my 6 here because, once again, there's nothing in this hundreds column. Now all I need to do is add those problems back together. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 6 plus nothing. So I'd get 6,300. The same result as the partial products, but in a shortcut type of method.